Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Today we have a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro with the small block crate engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. This one is badged as an SS, but it is a clone. It's just a beautiful car. This black with a red hockey stripe is beautiful. Let's start underneath the trunk here. You can see the shine on this paint. It's just beautiful. Inside the trunk here, looks nice and solid. I got the mat lifted here so you can see. And over on this side here, you can see this just as nice. Let's put this trunk mat back here so you can kind of see how it's supposed to look. Even the trunk mat looks like brand new. We'll close the trunk. You can see it's got a nice tint to it, and this black paint is just beautiful. It's got the SS rear spoiler on it with the SS badging here. It has dual exhaust peeking out there behind the rear wheels. And let's just go underneath here. I want to show you. Here's your gas cap here, nice and clean. And then here's a nice gas tank. It's got a 10-bolt rear end with 342 gears. It's a perfect launch is what it's called. We got Flowmaster 40 series exhaust mufflers. It's a 2.5-inch system. And just see how nice and clean it is under here. Beautiful. Okay, coming around here, it has the Weld Pro Star rims. We got Mickey Thompson tires. They're the Sportsman's ST series, 275/60 R15s. Great look to this car. And here's your front tire, Mickey Thompson's as well, 235/60 R15s. Okay, let's come to the passenger side. We got black interior, so it's black on black. So you got nice door panels. You can see all the trim is in great shape. We have power windows on this car. We'll show you the dash. The dash is in great shape. Nice and shiny, no cracks. We'll come through the door jambs here. So the door jambs are nice and shiny. Here's your sill plate, Fisher body. Nice and clean here. I'm going to show you underneath the door panel as well. You can see there's no rust under there. Seams look great, nice and shiny. And we'll come to the rear seat here. Package tray looks great. It's got black seats, seat belts. We have Camaro floor mats. And we'll come here to the glove box. So it says Camaro here. Let's open this here so you can see. Here's your glove box here. No books in this one. We have ashtray and a cigarette lighter here. Here's your Camaro floor mats. The carpet looks nice in this car. And then here's the condition of your seats. They look like they're in great shape. Vinyl seats, buckets. And let's show you the headliner. It looks great. Nice lights. Perfect. And it is a console car, so you can see it's got the console here, and we'll show you more in a bit there. Close this door here and just show you profile your SS spoiler. All the trim looks great. There's your antenna. This was a vinyl top car at one point. There is a little mark here you can see, but very, very nice. Very clean car. It's got the dual mirrors. Here's your door handles, nice and clean. Got rear trim here on the 69. This is arguably the best looking year Camaro, and I can attest for that. I love the body line here on the 69s and the stripe down here. So we got the nice red hockey stick badge here coming along the fender. Comes up to a 350 there. Looks beautiful. Over here we got the Camaro SS emblems. Look like they're nice. The paint is just beautiful in this car. Look at the shine. You can see everything in this. Previous owner really took good care of this. He didn't take care of it, he loved it. Headlights nice and clean, all the trim around here, the grille, SS grille. We got fog lights, we got the front spoiler down here. Beautiful car. Underneath the hood, it's got the hood liner, and on the engine, we do have a crate motor. It's a GM ZZ4 355 crate motor. It's got a GM hot cam in it, so 1.6 full roller rocker arms. It's got a Edelbrock High Rise Intake. As you can see here, we have a Holley 650 Double Pump Mechanical 4-barrel carburetor. We got a K&N Air Filter on top. Nice chrome valve covers. We got hooker headers. They're competition series. There's your battery, nice and clean. It's got a aluminum rad, help keep it clean or cool. Nice aluminum fan there. All your accessories look great. The wiring looks neat and tidy. We got power steering and power brakes. So there's your power steering there, and here's your power brakes. Very, very clean car. Go ahead and close the hood. So it's got the cowl hood, you can see. Looks beautiful. I don't see any stone chips on this car. This car was restored about 5 years ago. So most of the work was done 5 years ago in this car. And then we'll come here to the front wheel. As you can see, it has front disc brakes as well. And I just want to show you underneath here, at the front here, so you can see how kind of clean it is here, solid. Those headers poking down there. And we'll come back to the rear wheel here. Beautiful. Tires like the great shape. We have dual exhaust. Again, those Flowmaster exhaust mufflers there. And underneath here, nice and solid, clean. It's got coming through the door panel here. Got that black trim. Again, everything looks nice here. Very basic for 1969. Here's your door jamb again, nice and clean. Even the door jamb shines. Here's a sill plate. Beautiful. So it's got a Hurst 4-speed. It's a Muncie M20 4-speed with a Hurst shifter. It also has line lock, as you can see right there. It's got the white cue ball shifter. Great. It's got a Centerforce 11-inch dual friction clutch. There's your pedals here. Just making sure I didn't forget anything here. There's Camaro floor mats. Carpet's nice. There's just condition of your seat. Beautiful. Okay, let's get in the car now. Again, to show you that dash here. Beautiful. It's got the mirror. It's got the visors. And again, the headliner looks pretty tight. It's nice and clean. Overall, this car is really clean. As far as power windows, I think they all worked except for the driver rear. Okay, let's start up the car, put the clutch in. Okay, I'm gonna open this door because it's a little dark in here. Hope you can hear me. Okay, all right, here we got the vents here. We got your speedometer here, and I'm told all the gauges work. We have your tack here, it says Sun Pro tack, which is really cool, kind of what they did back in the 60s, 70s. Camaro badge here, and then your fuel tank here. Here's your heater controls. We got tilt wheel, you can see here. We got a wood wheel. It does say Camaro in the center. Horns work. We have an aftermarket radio that looks like the factory one, and it does work with auxiliary and other connections as well as I believe. Down here we have extra gauges, so most of them are auto gauges. We got the volts, we have the air fuel mixture, we have oil pressure, and you got your water temperature. And again, here's your 4-speed shifter. I love that. Seat belts here, we got a console, so I'm just gonna open this up here so you can see it's got a small console here, and you got a little USB slot here, so there's your size of your console there. Let's put the seat belt back in, and then we have a ashtray back here, of course, this 1969. We also have a light back here. All right, I'm gonna give it a couple of revs for you guys. Tell it's got power. This thing just wants to move. We got headlights here, we're going to put them on. We got wipers, and you got your parking brake here. And down here we have your high beam control where your foot is. We got side vents here. Let's get out of the car now. Now that I got everything closed up, lights are on. I want to show you what this car looks like. Get everything going here. Look at that. Just a beautiful classic. Now when I think Camaro, this is the car I dream about. And it's just beautiful. This one, you can take it to a show and the crowd is going to flock to it. You can drive it on the street. It's beautiful. Here's your rear here. Here's your idle. I love this car. So this is a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. It's badged as an SS clone. It's got a small block 350 crate motor with the 4-speed Muncie Hurst shifter. This is here and available at MunroMotors.com. Please come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.